Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually read an IBM term sheet before signing it? Because here's the truth, IBM's contracts are engineered to favor them, not you. Buried in the fine print are trap clauses that look harmless, but can cost your company millions. Uncapped support fees, audit clauses with no limits, notify us if you grow, language that turns into backdated bills, and bundling that forces you to pay for products you'll never deploy. This isn't theory. This is how IBM locks enterprises into expensive, inflexible contracts, and most procurement teams don't catch it until they're audited or stuck. We just published a free white paper that breaks it all down. It's written specifically for CIOs, sourcing leaders, and IT finance pros negotiating new IBM software deals. Inside, you'll get 10 of the most common traps hidden in IBM term sheets, plus a checklist to spot them fast, and negotiation plays that actually work. If you're reviewing a deal right now, or you've got an IBM renewal coming, this is mandatory reading. Don't let IBM write the rules. Download the guide and take control of the contract before they do.